It is critical that the right amount of water is supplied to a nozzle man, and the best way to do that is to use a flow meter. Paddle wheel flow meters, which have been in use over 400 years, will help you achieve efficient and safer firefighting tactics. The paddle wheel flow meter works on the same principle as a paddle wheel boat, but with the water turning the paddle. As the water goes by the small paddle that protrudes just a fraction of an inch into the waterway, it turns the paddle, and the revolutions per minute of the paddle are measured. Knowing this information, the flow rate in gallons per minute is calculated and displayed. This simple paddle wheel flow meter gives the firefighter an accurate and reliable way to read the flow, or gallons per minute. Thousands of paddle wheel flow meters manufactured by Fire Research Corporation over the past 12 years have proven themselves worldwide in such diverse fire departments as Côte St. Luc outside Montreal, Canada, Kings Park, New York, Melbourne, Australia, and West Midlands, England. If you look at a modern fire truck today, in most instances, the fire truck will have a pump panel with many pressure gauges on it. All these pressure gauges do is tell you the pressure at the side of the truck as it comes out of the pump. It does not tell you how much water is coming out of the nozzle, and that is what really counts. The pump operator, with a lot of calculations, can estimate how much water is coming out of the nozzle, that is, the water flow. But if he has 2 or 3 lines working at the same time, or must perform many other tasks, he will probably not bother to calculate his pressures and friction losses. In most firefighting situations, the pump operator cannot see the nozzle man. In many instances, even the hose is out of sight. The hose may be blocked by debris, or a kink, or it might have been laid out up a stairway. This will decrease or stop the water flow to the nozzle man. The only way the pump operator can tell if the nozzle man is getting the right amount of water is with a flow meter. The Fire Research Flow Meter, which has proven itself time and time again, can make your fire operations easier and safer. This is especially true with automatic nozzles. An automatic nozzle can give a deceptive appearance at low flows. The nozzleman thinks he has more water than he is actually getting and can overexpose himself. The person to correct this is the pump operator. The Fire Research Flow Meter is easily installed on existing and new fire apparatus. Fire Research manufactures 2 styles of flow meters. The gauge flow meter is available in a 2-inch diameter gauge and a 3-inch diameter gauge. The digital type comes standard with an accumulator function. It will tell you how many gallons you used on a fire. It will read up to 20,000 gallons. This flow meter is highly visible in both full sunlight and night conditions. Both readouts use the same high reliable flow sensor, which fits in all pipe sizes and makes of pumps, such as Darley, Hale, Waterous, and Godiva. In addition to our vehicle flow meters, Fire Research manufactures a portable flow meter for measuring flows from 30 to 1,000 gallons per minute, a portable flow and pressure meter for checking hydrants, pump discharges, and the like. It can read up to 1,500 gallons per minute and pressures through 300 psi. This is a large diameter hose and hydrant tester that will read flows up to 3,000 gallons per minute. This combination of instrumentation will allow you a greater degree of safety than you've ever had before. These are the flow meters you need now.